ஃபஸ்ட்டு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் த சால்ட் வாட்டர் கால்சியம் டெபாசிட்ஸ் இருக்கும். ஸோ நீங்கள் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா மோஸ்ட் ஆஃப் த எட்ஜஸ் அக்வேரியம் மொத்தமாகவே வேறெவர் யூ கேன் ஃபைண்ட் த ஜாயின்ஸ் எங்கே எல்லாமே கால்சியம் டெபாசிட்ஸ் இருக்கும். யூஸ் எனி கைண்ட் ஆஃப் ஸ்க்ரேப்பர் விச் won't scratch the grasses. So நான் ஒரு நார்மல் குச்சியை தான் யூஸ் பண்ணேன். ஜஸ்ட் ஸ்டிக் ஃப்ரம் த ப்ரூம் ஸ்டிக் and I started scraping all the deposits around the corners. So usually all the four corners will be filled with the deposits like this. So please be careful while removing this. Don't use very sharp objects which can pierce the silicone that has been used to glue the aquarium glasses that may cause the leakage. So be very gentle and do not use very sharp object. You can use any stick like this or any plastic bricks or toothpick. Toothpick may also be a best choice. So this will be the first step, and second step will be definitely the siphoning of all the deposits which you just removed and fish waste. So try to siphon it very gentle. So as I had the entire coral setup, so I was very sure that I must not push down any of the corals. So I was very sure in siphoning it very gentle. So this will be the second step. So ரெண்டாவது ஸ்டெப் இதுதான் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ். சிஃபான் வெரி கேர்ஃபுல். எதாவது டெபாசிட்ஸ் எடுத்து விட்டீங்க அதை சிஃபான் பண்ணுங்கள். ஸோ பிஃபோர் சிஃபானிங் ஜஸ்ட் மேக் ஷூர் எத்தனை % வாட்டர் எடுக்கிறீங்கன்னு. ஸோ இட் பி 10%, 20% have a marking on the gas. So make sure. ஏன்னா நீங்கள் நெக்ஸ்ட்டு சால்ட் மிக்ஸ் பண்ண மாதிரி இருக்கும். ஸோ அதே ஏதாவது வாட்டர் ஃபில் பண்ண மாதிரி இருக்கும். ஸோ மேக் ஷூர் to remove the exact quantity of water. You can see my Nemos well settled, well played, and you can see no skimmer yet in my tank. They're doing good. Animals, I think they ran away somewhere as soon as I inserted the siphon pipe. So second step is getting completed. It's a good quality siphon. I'm using the Boyu one. It's a good one actually. It's very durable too. But also good suction capacity it has. So next comes the third part, cleaning of the filter. So as you everyone know, because of the established bacteria, you must not wash the filter in the fresh water. So you have to use the water which we have taken out or siphoned out just now from the tank, so that the beneficial bacteria won't be killed. So please make sure. So this is my filter cartridge. As you know, I am using Sunsun Greg UV800. This is what the filter cartridge looks like. So if you had seen my previous videos, you would have seen what all I stuffed in as a filter media. So be careful to wash them, gentle. It's up to you. If there are more deposits, you have to remove the filter media too from the basket, but actually there was not much of any of the waste produced over there, so I didn't remove the entire casket nor empty the entire casket. So it's choice of yours, opinion of yours how to handle it. So but just make sure to clean the sponge very neat. Two cartridges done, one more to go. This is the core sponge which comes along with the filter itself. So, yes, this is my tattoo. It's a Thor hammer with the lightning. I hope you guys like it. I'm obsessed with the tattoo. Rest phase. Next phase is rest phase. I'm tired actually. So make sure you clear, wash very neat the sponge. So if you can see, the water has turned almost turbid. It was very clear when I started washing it. So now if you can see, it is totally turbid. I don't know what happened, something pricked me inside the cartridge. I don't know what it is, but I had a right small cut and it started bleeding. Okay, so let's finish up washing the cartridge neatly. Yes, again I'm obsessed with my tattoo. Sorry for that. Kindly comment what do you think of that tattoo. So that's gonna be my logo too for my future brand Power Aquatics. Okay, so now the fourth and final phase. I couldn't say final phase, yes, but almost final phase, mixing of water. So many have seen that using the heater while mixing the water. I don't believe in that theory, because we do live in India, and I think mixing the salt at room temperature is matter. So as I do not use any heater too in my main tank, so I think the tank is in the room temperature, and water which I have stored it is also in the room temperature. And also one more thing, I'm not using any RO water, it's normal tap water with anti-chlorine added, just to make sure the chlorine has been removed. Connect a small air pump or any power head, so that aeration is happening, and you can start mixing the salt. Add it pinch by pinch or cup by cup until the salt dissolves. Please not dump the entire salt, as it may form clumps, and again you have to do it manually in removing those clumps. So add salt slowly until the added salt has been dissolved. I'm using Aqua Forest Reef salt for your kind information. So as I said in beginning, be cautious the amount of water you are removing from the tank, so that the same amount of water is gonna be added to the tank, and let the measurement be equal, so that every time there will be the same changes, and you won't do abrupt big changes which may affect the ecosystem. So make sure every time you stick to and mark, taking the marked number of water and adding the same number of water which has been removed. And if you see, this is my hydrometer. I don't trust in the plastic ones, nor I cannot invest the big refractometer. So it is plain simple. I'm going with the glass one, which is which defines mercury defines here. So I do believe in this stuff more than an chip film C plastic ones. So I can see I'm just checking for my desired specific gravity. Yes, after multiple series of addition and thing, you can see, yes, I have reached my specific gravity. So let's move to the final phase, that is adding the water to the tank. I have added it. Sorry, I couldn't record it as it was all alone during the video. And if I see I've added it, the water is crystal clear. This is after adding of water, I mean an hour after adding the water. The tank is super clean, super clear. I love to see the tank in this way. So keeping a tank is not important, just maintaining it, giving it time is more important in aquarium hobby. So as you can see, water is crystal clear. I love to see them. My Nemos, they're fresh, active, and they're happy. They seem happy. They're too small. I'm just waiting for them to grow up and play along. That's it, guys. Signing off here in how to clean the marine tank, easiest and simplest way. If any doubts, kindly do comment. I'll be very happy to answer them. Also, if you have any doubt on the setup, the items I have used, or accessories which I have used, please do feel free to ask any question in the comment box. I'll be very happy to reply back. And also, please, if you like the content, kindly share it to the friends who are maintaining an marine aquarium and trying it hard, or who is planning to keep an aquarium, and who's having out of doubts in how to maintain the aquarium. So kindly share the video to them, and please do ask me any questions if you are finding it tough to get answers for those things. That's it, guys. Signing off here. Your stars. Bye bye, guys. Take care. And yes, kindly do comment and subscribe and share if possible and if you have time. Thank you. Bye bye.